NFHS Network live stream login help. Want to watch your school's game on NFHS Network but stuck at login? Here's a step-by-step guide to get you streaming fast. So first and foremost, head over to nfhsnetwork.com in your browser or download the app on iOS or Android. Now from here, click on the sign in button at the top right of your screen. Now in here, go ahead and enter your registered email and password. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button to create an account. NFHS Network requires an active subscription for most live streams. So you need to go to your account and then head over to subscriptions and confirm your plan and renew if expired. If login fails, you can go ahead and click on this forgot password button. So this would take you here. Now in here, you would be able to enter the email address you've used for your account. So NFHS Network will then send an email to that registered email address. And then you would need to open the link that NFHS Network sent you. And that will take you into a new page wherein you can easily create your new password. Double check you're using the same email tied to your subscription, clear browser cache, or try Chrome or Edge. Update the NFHS app to the latest version. These quick fixes solve most login problems. Now, once you're logged in, you can go ahead and search for your school or event. Click the live stream and enjoy. You can also cast to your smart TV using Chromecast or AirPlay.